Hey everyone, my name is Jackson. I'm one of the staff here at AI Camp, and today I'll be showing you how to link your Discord account to your AI Camp account. So if you go ahead and head to app.ai-camp.dev, and then make sure to sign in with the account that you used to purchase the course. Once you get there, you should see your course order here, and then below that, you should see this link your Discord account card. If you don't see this, you've already linked your Discord account, and you're good to go. So then, all you need to do, click this button, it will take you to this Discord page, and then you might need to log in or sign up with a Discord account. We do require a Discord account because that's how we communicate with you guys. So yeah, make sure to log in or sign up, and then go ahead and click authorize. And it should take you right back to the dashboard. Currently, there seems to be an issue where Discord sends us multiple indications that you've linked your Discord, but that is not a problem. We still get you, and you are all set up. As you can see, the link your Discord card no longer appears, which means you've successfully linked your Discord and you're ready for the camp.